Base Digger is a new game on Base, and my friend Kadu gave me early access. He's been building it for 10 months, and he told me he's going to be launching it very soon, so he wanted me to play test it, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So the first step, sign in with my email that has early access. Okay, I've signed in. Now that I've signed in, what do I do? See a little exclamation button. See a new player. Got some stamina. Looks like we swapped ETH for bot, token, retire, and profile. And then we've got these people that look like they cost. I own a Homo sapien. But then there's other types of people that have special benefits, and I can buy them. And they have clothing, which looks like it's... Some of them also have powers and requirements. And then there's tools and stamina. This is the shop. This is our inventory. And the high scores. I'm one of these new players. I want to change my name to see where I am on the leaderboard. And my goal is going to be to just get above the base level and to try to get up a little bit on the scores. Click the shovel. I can't do anything right now. Do I have to put in funds in order to... Sweetman. Confirm. Now, can I go over here and see Sweetman on the leaderboard? I'm going to refresh the page. Maybe it needs new data. Oh, here we go. The goal is to earn points by digging lands. Each land you dig consumes a certain amount of stamina. Your stamina will be restored to full capacity every 24 hours when the timer gets to 0. You can buy more capacity in the shop. Levels. You need to level up in order to access new stages and dig more and get amazing prizes. Each land you dig gives you XP points. The bar shows you how much XP is needed for you to reach the next level. Every land you dig gives you points. Ethereum rewards are distributed according to your score. The number at the bottom shows how much Ethereum you will receive when you retire. Learn more about Ethereum rewards. Next. Dig. Now you know how it works. Click the spade icon to go to the first stage and start digging. Or press next for more tips. Let's click the spade. Go to 1 of 1. And now I click. And now I'm digging. Click, click. So it looks like you gotta do 2 clicks. One moves you on top of the square, and then the other one digs it. And it looks like I'm getting points, and I'm getting experience. Oh, and now I'm out of my stamina, and so this is me sitting down and being tired. That's cute. Bottom icons are different now. I'll go back and let's see where I am on the leaderboard. Sweetman, there we go, I'm number 36. But I'm tied number 36 with a bunch of people, and I want to get higher. So it looks like in order to get higher, there's level 2 people are the only people above me. And then there's people that are like level 30. But a lot of people are stuck at level 1. Only a couple people exist in level 2, and then there's fewer people as you go higher. There's this one glitch that is still at level 1, and he's ranked higher in the leaderboard, but overall it looks like higher level equals higher place on the leaderboard, with a couple of exceptions. I don't want to sign out. That's the sign out button. Kadu is purchased. Okay, so you can purchase stuff. So let's see how I would do something like that. If I wanted to purchase stamina, I come into here. I need... Buy stamina. What if I just want 1 stamina? I just want to get a little bit higher than the current people that are in front of me, so let's just try to buy 1. Oh, I can type a number? Nice. Okay, so I need 100 bot. Let's go to the swap. I would like I just want one bot, or 100 bot. I think I want another 2 zeros. Okay, and now my question is, spender to pay with this. Okay, so this wallet needs more ETH. It looks like we're already on base mainnet, so I'll send some base mainnet ETH over, and we need how much ETH? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1. We'll give it an extra 0 in there. Less than a penny. This is great. Started off inexpensive. Send over the ETH. Should have just finished. Add funds on base to complete the transaction. I guess I still need more. Let's send more ETH. Let's try it again. Looks like we're now able to do it. Transaction complete. Let's see if I can go back to the shop. Go to stamina. I just want 1. Let's approve. Approve. All done. Buy. Something went wrong. Okay, no longer. Let's try to refresh the page. Go back to the shop. Go into stamina. I'm still not seeing any tokens. Even though I just bought some. Did I not actually finish the swap? 0.0001. 01. Swap. I don't know what's going on. This is how much I would like to swap. Let's see if that transaction went through. Am I unable to copy the address now? Let's try approving it one more time. Details from... Let's see if this address already has any tokens. Okay, so I see approvals, and now I see a swap from 16 seconds ago. Okay, so it looks like now I've done it. So let's go back into the shop. Let's go to stamina, and now I'm showing that I have some funds. Let's buy. Now I should have more stamina. Now that I've got more stamina, I'll go back to the game, go back to level 1, go down here and dig a little bit. Dookie, dookie, dookie. Now we should be higher up in the leaderboard. Let's go back, go to the leaderboard. Sweetman is where? There's Sweetman number 36. I'm the only 36 now, and I've pushed everybody else that was tied with me for 36 down to 37. So it looks like it's ranked by points, and I was able to earn 10 more points. Even though I have less experience than the person beneath me, I have more points. Overall, I'm excited about this game. This game's making me very excited about games built on base that use either tokens or no tokens. I think my biggest friction point was swapping and needing to send ETH. But I was able to do it all in less than 11 minutes, including me yapping. So the friction was not major. Gotta be less friction than driving over to GameStop and buying the game. So I'm very impressed, and I'm excited to see what Kadu and his team are going to do with this. This has been my first impressions of Base Digger, and if you haven't already followed them, go ahead and follow them and try out the game. This is just one example of the many games that exist in the Base ecosystem. These are video games that exist on-chain, being built by game developers globally.